Hello and welcome friends on Leo English Hub lecture number 24, and today we are going to practice writing and speaking on a topic called celebration of a festival. Any festival you can choose. Before we move ahead, I want to request new viewers to subscribe our channel. If you have not subscribed, you might miss some important information and lecture coming day by day. I also suggest the new viewers how to learn on this channel, and if you want to learn effectively step by step gradually, you can go to the playlist section of our channel, and in that playlist section you can choose the language of your choice and start learning from the lecture 1, very first lecture. Say for example, you started today learning the first lecture, you saw the first lecture, you go through that lecture for the whole day, and consequently on the next day you can take second lecture, third lecture. This is how you can revise and go ahead step by step. You can see the new videos as you get the notifications, but your aim should be to learn from the very basic, from the very first lecture, so that you don't miss anything and you feel confident. It becomes so easy when you follow the steps, when you follow the hierarchy. So that is my request, and don't skip our video ever, because all the good information coming through these lectures throughout the whole videos. So don't skip ever. So let's come back to the topic of today, and celebration of a festival. That means you can choose any one festival. You can talk about it, you can write about it, and later on you will have to speak on it. As of now, you can see some words on your screen. These words are clue. They are the points which can lead you to generate natural ideas on your own. You don't need to copy from anywhere, from internet or from somebody else. You don't need to seek help of others as well, guys. Our learning process is of such a kind which can teach you how to generate ideas on our own. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you 3 sets of words, 3 sets of points or leading points which can help you to generate ideas on your own. So see, for example, you are talking about one particular festival and its celebration. So when it comes, calendar means when it comes, the date, or any time, right? If there is any importance of that festival, then you can talk about it according to or as per, right? In the memory of, if there is any historical significance or religious significance, I would say, then obviously you can include all those points. Celebration, celebrate on this day, what happens. There can be multiple days as well in some festivals, so you can all add all those things. Earthen lamps, decorating material, lighting up them, trees, balloons, whatever. I mean, you think these words are part of vocabulary and lexical resource. They can guide you how to generate ideas out of one or couple of single words. So let's move on, guys, to the next screen, where we have the second set of words to help you write and speak a celebration of a particular festival of your choice. So children, all the participations, the children participate in that particular festival, and all the demographies would come in your thoughts. Crackers, lightings, right? Travel, vacation, holidays, activities, events, enjoy, have fun, businesses, jobs, what happens to the markets and streets. You can talk about that as well. What government and local authorities arrange, special arrangements they do for a particular festival. So this is how you can think. You can apply whatever things, whatever grammatical things you learn during the course. You can apply those things. Until now we have learned only one tense, simple present tense, but from out of your knowledge you can use any tense. And obviously in our coming lectures we are going to learn all those tenses and all those sentence structures in our channel as well. So stay tuned, guys, and be here right there, and I have third set of words as well. So what you can do is you can write down all these words in your notebooks and then try to write. You can refer to our earlier lectures as well, and these words are not just important for today's topic or today's lecture. They can be utilized in n number of topics in our day-to-day communication, speaking, writing, anything, casual writing or speaking, anything. If you are a student, you can use these words, the words we have learned or noted down in earlier vocabulary lectures as well. So vocabulary is very important, guys, and I hope these words will guide you how to write better, and in a flow you can write down, and after writing you can obviously practice speaking effectively as well. So guys, I hope this information in today's lecture will guide you, will help you a lot. And again, at the end, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update. Thank you for joining us today, guys. Thank you very much.